Hey YouTube. Well, my PC is done. And, well, it's not completely done. I still got to do something with that stupid CPU cooler. But anyway, I thought I would take the camera off the tripod and show you my cable management. I think it looks fairly good. Not bad. Considering that plate goes on there. You can see what I did with my fan junction, or whatever you call it. Now I forgot the name of it. It connected into the SATA cable right there. My I'm having a brain fart here. I can't remember the name of that thing. But anyway, that's what I did. I just mounted it to one of the holes right there with a zip tie. You can see it's not on here real tight, but it's on there. It'll work. Got everything all hooked up. Okay, we'll walk around to the front. I'll put that panel back on here in a minute. I have not fired this up yet. I want to do it online, watching the video, to either share in my excitement or share in my pain. I'm going to try to set a little bit of light in here so y'all can see. I got my graphics card in there, took it off the old computer. It's a RTX 2070. All the fans and everything are hooked up. Everything's ready to go. Except, you know what? I did plug in my graphics card. Okay, well, I'll do that off camera. I forgot to plug it in. I got so excited about getting it ready to fire up that I forgot to plug the graphics card in. So we'll do that here in just a minute. Alright, I'm going to go put the camera back on the tripod, and we're going to hit that power button for the first time together. Cross your fingers. I can see that camera's going to be in my way, but I want you all to have a picture of the screen. I guess I'll sit over here. I've got this camera set up so it'll show the monitor. It's the only way I know how to do it. Here comes the moment of truth. If I've got that switch in the back turned on right, and if I can find my switch power. There she goes. Let's see if my monitor is on. Yes, it is. Looks good. But now is it going to post? So tough gaming! Yeehaw! Reboot and select proper boot device, or insert media, boot media in selected boot device. Press any key. Okay, that's what I need to do is shut it off and go into the BIOS. Since it does not have okay. Let's turn it back on. We got a post. Alright, let's turn it on. Yahoo! I guess it's F2. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's all my fans profile. They're all working. Okay. I hope this mouse works. Nope, the mouse ain't gonna work. Which means I need to grab my mouse off the other computer. So I guess we're going to pause this video until I can get the mouse working. I thought this wireless mouse worked. I even changed out the battery in it. But I guess maybe the USB isn't working. Let me try something real quick. Let's put this down. Maybe that's why I stopped using this mouse. Maybe because it stopped working. Make sure it's not that top header. But that's why, probably why it stopped working. No, it is working now. What's wrong with that header? I don't have any USB-C in front, I don't think. Because now it seems to be working. English. Okay. CPU fan is running at 100% capacity, which doesn't surprise me. Speed has got me at AMD Ryzen 5 3600 6-core processor. Got me running at 2133 because I need to go into advanced mode and change, what did they say, that XPS? Advanced. I'm going to have to test that front panel because the mouse was working when I plugged that dongle into the back. Let me unplug it once and try it again. I may have gotten something wrong hooking up that front panel. I didn't think I did, but you never know. I don't think it's too bad for my first build. Need more room in here. Nope, I have no USB in front. So, I'm going to have to do something about that. I don't know. I got something hooked up wrong or something maybe? No, I have no USB-Cs in front. On the I/O in front. The USB-C on the motherboard is fine. Well, there's one thing I can fix, or figure out why. Well, let's keep going. Okay, CPU configuration, SATA configuration, onboard devices, PCI subsystems. I'm looking for something that says something about memory. I guess I have to update the BIOS first. Monitor. CPU package temperature 61 degrees Celsius. And I haven't even started doing anything with it yet. CPU fan is running 790, 786. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to get rid of that Ryzen. I don't, AIO pump speed, PCH fan speed. Okay. Main. I'm not sure exactly where I find that. Memory frequency. I guess I need to update AI tweaker. Should be something about XPS. That's what I'm looking for. Target RAM frequency. Memory frequency. Auto. DDR, what was it? 3200 is what I want. Megahertz 3200 right there. DDR4 3200 megahertz. Okay, so that may have done it. Let's exit and see if it reposts now that I've changed that. Save changes and reset. See if it's going to reset or not. I'm going to have to find out. Something didn't get plugged in. I'm going to have to go back to that. Seems fine. And now my G-scale is still only showing 2133. Why? Advanced mode. It says memory frequency 3200 here. 3200 megahertz. 16 gig. So I guess it's working. Okay, I don't see anything in here about, let's see, tools. This is Easy Flash 3 utility. Okay, let's go ahead and flash it. I'm going to have to stick that. I think I'm going to wait. Let's go ahead and shut it down. And I need to find out why that USB isn't working in the front. It should be working. So, anyway, it works. We posted. I am no longer a virgin. I have lost my virginity building a PC. Was it good for you? It was great for me. Alrighty, let's shut this down for now, and I'll turn it back on later. Okay, we have the BIOS updating. I used the utility inside the BIOS to update it. I stuck the USB stick in the back, and it recognized it right away, and now it's in the middle of updating the BIOS. Once the BIOS gets updated, I will put in the Windows USB, and we'll go ahead and get Windows installed. Not a lot to see here, so I'm not going to shoot a whole lot of video. I'm just kind of letting y'all know what my progress is so far. And then once I get Windows installed, I guess I'm going to have to pull all that wiring out of there and find out why I have no power. Also, I don't have any color control either for my fans up front. The ones inside the case I understand, because I don't have the software yet that controls lighting. Unless it's in the BIOS somewhere, I'll have to look. But right now, everything just kind of flashing all different colors. There's no uniformity at all. So I don't know what's causing that. I'm learning as I go. Okay, the BIOS finished updating. There it is. Samsung SSD. Please enter setup to recover BIOS setting. It says I have 3 keyboards. 1 drive, 3 keyboards, 1 mouse, 0 hubs, USB drive, SanDisk. Please enter setup to recover BIOS setting. Okay, we have version should be 3603. Okay, so we do have the BIOS updated. That was easy enough. Okay, I just stuck in the USB for Windows. We're going to try to install Windows on it and see if this works. Come on. There she goes. Seems a little bit loud to me. Maybe because I got the doors off. And I need to work on the fans and stuff and figure out how to adjust these fans and stuff. But that's something we can work on later. F2. Okay. Boot menu. Partition. Okay, boot menu right there. Okay, it sees it. So let's save and exit. It does see the Windows installation. Let's see if Windows 10 boots. This is exciting! See what it does. Tough gaming. I hope that camera's picking this up good. It's the best I could do. Ah, we got some spinning wheels. Y'all see that on there? And we have Windows, English, time and currency, keyboard method, enter your language and other preferences, and click next to continue. So we have Windows. Install now. Yes, ma'am, we will. We have Windows! Activate. I don't have a product key yet, so we'll just say I don't have a product key. I've got to go online and buy one. Okay, we want Windows 10 Home, which is fine. Microsoft license, yes, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Nobody ever reads all that crap. Operate, install Windows and keep file settings and applications custom. Install Windows only, advanced. File settings and applications aren't moved to Windows with this option. If you want to make changes to partitions and drives, start the computer using the installation disk. Remember back in the upgrade, install Windows and keep file settings and applications. The file settings and applications are moved to Windows from this option. The option is only available when a supported version of Windows is already running on the computer. So this is the one we're on right there. Okay, drive unallocated space, 465 gigabytes. Okay, where do you want Windows? Install Windows, yes. Next. Copying Windows files, installing Windows. I think we have a winner, except for the front I/O. That's going to, if I have to try all that damn wiring out of there again, I guess I should have made sure everything worked and then did my wire management. Got things a little bit backwards there. But that's okay. I'll get her done. I must have plugged in something wrong or something. I don't seem to have any power at all. I can adjust the pattern of the colors in the front, but I don't have the color itself. But this is the color here, and it is changing the color. and now it's staying on. So maybe I think maybe that was it. But it's not controlling any of the other fans inside the case. The case is still pulsing and changing colors. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Probably not. I'll have to take the camera off the tripod or something and give you a shot of the case and what it looks like. Okay, so while we're doing this, I guess I'll shut these cameras off, and we'll come back when I got something else. Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is an update on the last time I turned the camera on. I don't know if it's going to be last episode or the next episode, I'm not sure yet. Last time I turned the camera on, I had the PC going, but the front USB ports were not working. So I started doing a little bit of research online, started looking at different things, started looking at the manual and stuff like that, and I realized the USB 2 Generation 1 plug did not have a plastic border around it. Plastic guide, so when you plug it in, it guides the plug onto the pins. I contacted ASUS. ASUS says, well, you must have damaged it and you can't return it. I said, no, I didn't damage it. It didn't come with the border. It didn't come with the plastic. I even sent them a picture. And they were just assholes about it. So last time I buy an ASUS product, they weren't even interested in trying to help me or understand. They just automatically assumed somehow I damaged the motherboard. But I have video records showing me unboxing that motherboard and not dropping or doing anything with it. And it had to have been a manufacturer's defect. Anyway, I took the whole PC back apart, took the motherboard out, and fiddled around with the pins and stuff on that one plug, and got it. I took the whole cable completely off the front I/O, and set the motherboard up on the table, and got it plugged in correctly, and then put the whole thing back together again. I mean, I took the fans out, took the motherboard out. The only thing I didn't take apart is the CPU and the cooling fan, which I got my return ticket from the company I bought that AIO from, the Arctic Freezer 2, and they did send me a return label, so I will be returning that, and as soon as I get my money back from that AIO, I will be purchasing a different one. I'm not sure which one yet, but we'll definitely be doing a video on that. But anyway, I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and give you a little bit of view and let you see what the computer looks like. You can't see a whole lot from that angle. I want to show you my wire management and what I came up with. So nothing I had to do when I took the motherboard out. All that wire managing and stuff and all the zip ties and crap, I had to cut all that crap out of there. I had to start all over again. I was not a happy camper. But happy to say my front USB ports are working now. Everything is working as it should. I've downloaded Windows. I've bought a Windows key and have activated it. And right now I'm in the middle of doing some Windows updates and get all the updates done. And then the last step we have to do is put those doors on and peel that plastic. That's what we've all been waiting for, to peel that plastic. And I will no longer be, once that plastic is off those doors, I am no longer a PC building virgin. Was it good for you? Anyway, I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and just give you a little bit of walk around. Okay, here is my wire management. Got everything on this side of the computer because those metal panels hold everything on. The only thing I've got going over here is the CPU power and my fan cable for the back. Everything else is connected. The fans are working. All the RGB is working. It's everything on the front I/O is working. I don't think it looks too bad. I think for my first time, it actually looks Pretty good. And like I said, by the time I put that panel on, you won't see any of this. It'll all be covered. But I think it looks good for my first time. I'm proud of it. Let's walk around this way, and I will show you the front. I got the blue going right now. I can change the color in the front with the top buttons. I kind of like the blue. And then I can change patterns, so it and the rest of the fans I control through Aurora, which is the Asus software. I like the solid look. And then when we go around to this side here, see, there's Windows doing its updates, so everything is good there. And then if we walk around here, you can see the inside of the PC. Let me walk around the other side and get a better shot of that. There you go. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? I guess when I get my AIO, I don't think I'll use any more RGB. That's pretty good. There's quite a bit of RGB in there, I think. I think I'll just get regular AIO, because you're not going to see much from the top anyway. I'm going to put that AIO on the top. That's still my plan. So, but yeah, I think it came together pretty good. I'm going to put the camera back on the tripod, and then we're going to do the very last step, the one we've all been waiting for. I'm going to put the doors back on it, and then peel off that plastic, and I'll no longer be a PC building virgin. Alrighty, door number 1 is going on. A drum roll, please. If I can get it on. Maybe it goes around the other way. No, I think it goes this way. Not hard to get them lined up. They've been on here for so long, they probably forgot how to go on. I think. That's not right. Well, this one's for the other side. I'll bet it is. Yes, it is. So let's move the camera. Let's put both doors on first. And of course my phone will have to go off. I forgot to put it on airplane mode. I hate that. Dang thing goes off in the most inopportune times. Okay. Let's get the other door. This is exciting. My first PC build, and not too many bumps in the road. It all went pretty smoothly. Of course, I did my due diligence and research. I just didn't jump in and do it. There it is. Alright, let's we have to open this down first and then pull the door out. Are we ready? I want to make sure you all get a good shot at this. The plastic is coming off. Here we go. Here comes the drum roll. yeah, look at that. Wow. All the plastic coming out. Throw it away. We got one more to go here on the inside. Nice. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good. Yes. How about that? And there we go. On that side. Now let's move the camera around to the other side here. And we'll do this side. And I'm already starting to breathe hard. So here we go. Let me back this up a little bit. Okay. Make sure we get a good shot. Want you all to miss it. Okay, last two pieces of plastic coming off now. Ooh, that feels good. Ah. Oh. Oh my. Oh. 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 Oh yeah. Oh. Was it good for you? Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for now. So I've got some more things planned. And as you can see, I got a big mess right here to clean up. I've got my old PC that I have to take apart. And I got some major wire managing to do. I want to get the PC off the floor. Never liked it down there. As you can see, it's pretty dusty. I'm going to put it on a shelf, I think. I kind of had limited options since basically I sit in my cockpit anytime I'm on the computer. Whether I'm playing games or I'm on the internet, I'm sitting in the cockpit. I don't really have a computer desk. So it limits my options of what I can do. So, but I'll keep you all posted. And like I said, I've got some ideas of what I want to do next. And to keep this channel going, I hope you enjoyed these videos of me putting this PC together. Please make some comments and let me know what you think of my PC build. And one of these episodes, probably the next episode, I want to get all the updates and everything done on it. We'll do some bench tests and just see what it was I built. Okay? We'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.